Welcome to Dan Tech Fix. In today's video, I'll show you how to skip the Microsoft account requirement while installing Windows 11. Many users want a local account for privacy, faster setup, or offline use. And in this video, I'll guide you step by step. Windows 11, especially in the latest versions, tries to force you into using a Microsoft account during setup. But what if you don't want that? Maybe you're setting up a PC for someone else, or you just prefer not to link your email. Don't worry, there are multiple ways to bypass it. The easiest method is simply disconnecting your internet. If you're using Wi-Fi, just turn it off. If you're using LAN, unplug the cable. When a setup screen asks for a Microsoft account, choose I don't have internet. This will give you the option to create a local account instead. Set up for personal use. Set up for work or school. If you pick personal, it forces Microsoft login. But if you pick business/work account, then select the option join a domain instead. It actually lets you create a local account right there. So these are all the working ways to skip Microsoft account in Windows 11 setup. Using a local account gives you more privacy, faster login, and full offline control. If you want me to make a video on switching from Microsoft account to local account after installation, let me know in the comments. This is Dan Tech Fix, bringing you simple solutions for your tech problems. Don't forget, since we were talking about Windows 11, let's spend a moment understanding what makes this version different. Windows 11 is Microsoft's latest operating system, officially launched in October 2021. It comes with a brand new design compared to Windows 10. You'll immediately notice the centered taskbar icons, rounded corners, and a cleaner start menu. Microsoft wanted Windows 11 to feel modern and closer to mobile-style design. Another big change is the focus on performance and security. Windows 11 requires TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot enabled. This has caused some issues because many older PCs are not officially supported. Still, people have found ways to install Windows 11 even on unsupported hardware. Microsoft also improved multitasking features. With snap layouts, you can quickly arrange multiple windows side by side. Virtual desktops are smoother, and touch gestures are more responsive for touchscreen devices. For gamers, Windows 11 includes features like Auto, HDR, and Direct Storage, which can improve loading times in supported games. Of course, not everyone likes the changes. Some users feel that the taskbar customization is limited, or that the system is forcing more online features like Microsoft Account Login, OneDrive Sync, and Microsoft Edge as the default browser. But overall, Windows 11 is faster, more secure, and visually polished compared to Windows 10. Microsoft continues to release updates, like 23H2 and the upcoming 24H2, which bring even more features and improvements. So while many people upgrade for the new look and speed, some still prefer the control of a local account, which is why today's trick is very useful. Like, share, and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips and tricks. Windows 11 is not just a simple update. It's a complete redesign of the Windows experience. When you first see it, the biggest difference is the look and feel. The taskbar icons are centered, the corners of Windows are rounded, and the animations are smoother. Microsoft wanted it to look modern, clean, and closer to the style of mobile devices. But Windows 11 is not only about looks. It is built with a stronger focus on security and performance. That's the reason Microsoft made TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot mandatory. Many people were unhappy because their older PCs could not officially upgrade. But the truth is, these requirements make the system safer against modern threats. Another big feature is productivity improvements. The new snap layouts help you organize multiple windows on the screen with just one click. This is very useful if you're working on 2 or 3 things at the same time. Virtual desktops are also better, letting you create separate spaces for work, gaming, or personal use. For gamers, Windows 11 has Direct Storage and Auto HDR, which means faster game loading and more vibrant graphics, but only if your hardware supports it. Of course, not everything is perfect. Some users feel that Microsoft forces too many online features, like the Microsoft Store, Edge browser, and OneDrive Sync. But at the same time, Windows 11 is getting regular updates, with each version improving stability and adding more tools. Overall, Windows 11 is the future of Microsoft's operating system. It combines a fresh design, better performance, and improved security. And whether you like or dislike the changes, it's clear that Windows 11 is here to stay. Windows 11 is Microsoft's newest operating system, released as the successor to Windows 10. It's designed to give a more modern and streamlined experience compared to previous versions. From the first boot, you notice the centered start menu, simplified taskbar, and smoother animations. Everything feels cleaner and more polished. One of the biggest goals of Windows 11 is productivity. The snap layouts and snap groups let you organize multiple windows effortlessly. Virtual desktops are improved, so you can separate work, gaming, and personal tasks without clutter. These small changes make daily work much more efficient. Microsoft also focused on security and system requirements. Windows 11 requires TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot, which help protect your PC from modern malware and firmware attacks. While this caused some older PCs to be unsupported, it also ensures better safety for newer devices. For gamers, Windows 11 brings features like Auto, HDR, and Direct Storage, which allow faster loading times and improved graphics if your system supports it. Even for regular users, the OS feels more responsive and smoother compared to Windows 10. Microsoft continues to release regular updates, such as 22H2, 23H2, and the upcoming 24H2, bringing new features, security fixes, and performance improvements. Some people may find certain features like forced Microsoft account login or pre-installed apps unnecessary. But overall, Windows 11 combines style, speed, and security in a way that clearly shows the future direction of Microsoft operating systems. So these are all the working ways to skip Microsoft account in Windows 11 setup. Using a local account gives you more privacy, faster login, and full offline control. If you want me to make a video on switching from Microsoft account to local account after installation, let me know in the comments. This is Dan Tech Fix, bringing you simple solutions for your tech problems. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.